Hi everyone. Welcome to my video, my channel, if you're new here. Today we are doing a holiday slash whenever gift guide. So the first kinds of gifts that I listed out here are for the practical people, the people who say, I don't want anything, I don't need anything. That, for me, is my mom and my dad. First up, we have a stone bath mat. I actually got this for my boyfriend and my mom. For my boyfriend, just like as a random gift. And then for my mom, I'm getting it for Christmas because my mom doesn't like the typical feminine gifts. Sometimes I search on the internet for gifts to give to your mom, and almost none of them she would wear or use. So I got her a stone bath mat because she sometimes has trouble like not slipping when she's getting out of the shower. So I thought this would be a great gift for her and a great gift for whomever you think could benefit from it. Next, I have pepper spray or a taser. This is obviously practical, especially for women who you know who live in the city. That being said, be careful about the taser because not all states have that legalized. The next one, which I love, socks that sponsor a charity or that give their funds to a charity. I'm going to have a few listed down below. Next is a Swiss Army knife or multifunctional scissor. Growing up, I never thought these were great presents, and I always saw them on like gift guide lists online. But I actually think they'd be quite useful, especially scissors. Like, I would keep scissors in my purse if I had like a mini pair of scissors. So that would be a practical gift. Next is a speaker. Next, a universal travel adapter for obvious reasons if you know someone who travels a lot or who wants to get into it. Next is kitchen appliances. And by that I mean like the little foam whisk thing. You could even get them a cutting board because all these plastic cutting boards release microplastics into your body. So that's not great. You should replace all of your plastic cutting boards with wooden cutting boards, and if you know of someone who hasn't yet, then buy it for them. Okay, next is a portable phone charger or a solar panel phone charger. Once again, I got this for my boyfriend and he actually uses it so much. And he, even to this day, like I've gotten him very expensive gifts before. Not very expensive, but like I've gotten him way more expensive gifts than that before. And that's his favorite gift that I've ever gotten him. So I do think that's a great gift. Next is a toiletry bag. And if you're going to buy this, then I recommend buying one with a lot of pockets. Okay, next is a book light. If someone wants to get into reading or is a big reader, I feel like there are a lot of cool book lights these days, especially ones that like don't hurt your eyes when it's laid out. My God. Okay, next is a Patagonia or a Muji or a Uniqlo jacket. So one of those just like insulated jackets that'll keep you warm and are very practical. Okay, next is a customized luggage tag or a passport holder. I put this down because I actually want those. I've been traveling a little bit more than I previously had, and having a luggage tag and a passport holder, I didn't realize how handy they'd come in. So this is something I want, and I think that other people would want them too. The next category of people are those who like to take care of their health, who are very active, who like fitness. Another practical one, a runner's vest or some good socks. Next is Patagonia hiking pants. I feel like I'm talking about my boyfriend so much. Clearly I get him a lot of like little gifts, but I got him Patagonia hiking pants and he's wearing them like weekly now. So they're just a good pair of pants. They're pretty expensive. I think they're like $120 to $130. But any of Patagonia's pants are just like very well made and they'll last a person very long. So if you know of someone who's active, then you can get them that. Another one is an active fanny pack. Next is bala bangles. These are kind of expensive, but that's why they're a good gift. These went viral on TikTok and you can find them on Amazon. They're just like weighted bracelets that you can wear on like walks or while you're doing certain exercises. And I think that would make a great gift because they're really great quality and it's something that someone I think wouldn't necessarily buy themselves. Okay, next are resistance band sets. They kind of go along with the bala bangles. You can also get someone who runs a little like light for wearing on their vest or wearing around their wrists. It is so dangerous to run in the dark because even me, like when I'm driving sometimes in the dark in my like dimly lit neighborhood, I cannot see people if they're wearing black. Like my whole family complains about it when people are like on night walks and they're wearing black. Like that's just not good. You should be wearing a reflective vest or at least have like lights on. So you should get this for your friends who are doing their night runs because it's dangerous out there and you don't want to get hit by a car. And then you can also get them a cute gym bag. There are lots of cute gym bags out there. I think the aloe one was trending for a while. And then the last one I have is an aura ring because these are really popular these days. Okay, next gift category umbrella is for the grown-ups in your life. So this includes like your grandparents, if you have a significant other, their parents, or just like any aunt and uncle that you need to get a gift for. The first one I have is sunglasses. Personally, I bought blue elephant sunglasses for my boyfriend's mom. I don't think she'd watch this because she doesn't know I have a YouTube channel, but Blue Elephant is like a nicer Korean brand for sunglasses. They're made in the same factory as Gentle Monster, but they're not as expensive as Gentle Monster. I think Gentle Monster sunglasses run for like 400-ish dollars. The Blue Elephant sunglasses are all like around $50. You can get them that. That would be a great gift, especially if you know the kind of style sunglasses that they'd want. Next, you can get them any type of nice coffee, artisan food gifts. So I'm thinking like hot sauce, truffle salt, a really high quality olive oil, like stuff like that. Next is literally anything coffee related. So whether it's a Keurig, whether it's a espresso machine, that's pretty expensive. But if you want to go that hard, then you can. Whether it's a coffee kit where you can like make a bunch of cute fun coffee drinks, those would be cool, or like a coffee subscription. Okay, next is a digital picture frame. This is for obvious reasons for the sentimental people. You could also buy them salt and pepper shakers. I know there's some cute ones that are like designed as like things. That means nothing to you, huh? I don't know, like I'm sure they're like little animal, like little dogs, salt and pepper shakers. There's like lemon and lime salt and pepper shakers. You could just get really cute ones. They also have those like electronic UV light ones. I don't know what they do, but I always see them on TikTok and people like them. So you can get those for people. Okay, next are smart home devices. Like I said, depending on how much you want to spend on a person, you could always get them an Alexa or a Google Home. My Alexa just heard that and she's blinking. Next category is for someone that you love, someone very special in your life, whether that's your best friend or your significant other. Obviously, number one is jewelry. It doesn't matter what their gender is. I feel like just getting them a little piece of jewelry that's either customized or just like from you, I think is a really sweet idea. Okay, next I have Birkenstock clogs because I think they're really cute on all genders, but you could obviously just get them any shoe that they've been liking or that suits their style. I also have a nice whiskey glass, a nice wine glass, or a bar kit, depending on what alcohol they like or if they drink at all. Next, I also have a weighted blanket. Oh, give me 1 second. I'm baking bread and I need to put it in the oven now. I'm back. Still on loved ones. You can get them subscription boxes depending on what they're interested in. So if they're a book reader, then obviously get them a book subscription. If they like fragrances, then get them like a fragrance subscription like Scentbird. Or if they like cooking, you get the gist. And then the last one I have is a vinyl player. I think a lot of young people these days like have a speaker already, but if they like music a lot, then I think a vinyl player would be very cool. That's all I have for your loved one. Now we are moving on to friends who like luxurious things. So for me, that's my sister. So the number one thing is fragrances that you think embody them. Okay, another one is sunscreen kits. So I know Beauty of Chosun does this. Basically, just like a gift set of sunscreens because everyone uses sunscreen, and if you don't use sunscreen, then you should. Next, I think you can get them like designer pouches or just really beautiful pouches or tech bags. So I know one pouch company that I often buy from is Elizabeth Scarlett. They have these like beautiful velvet pouches. I'll put images of them here, obviously, but you can also get them like customized with your initials. They're just like so pretty and they're really great quality, so they'd last a person a long time. Okay, next is a Kindle, because I feel like if you have a person who likes luxurious things, then they might want to read their books on not an iPad, but a Kindle or a Paperwhite, whichever. And I think they'd really love this gift. That is, if they read, obviously. Okay, next is a customized journal or a monogrammed notebook or just any monogrammed leather thing in general. Okay, next is if you want to spend a little less money, actually not even that much less, but it's just like smaller gifts for them. You can get them any type of like luxurious hand cream or candle. So I wrote down the necessaire hand cream or the loccitaine. I can't speak French, but you know which one, and I'll insert a picture, obviously. Or like anthropologie candles, or byredo candles, or aesop soap, um, because people love aesop. And then the last umbrella category that I have are smaller gifts, gag gifts for friends, for really anyone in your life, your family members. Honestly, I don't really get most of my friends Christmas gifts. I get them birthday gifts, obviously, but I don't even really get my family like that extravagant of Christmas gifts. We've just never done that. And I think every family has their own way of doing Christmas or doing the holidays. Like, not every family gives gifts. I know one of my friends' families, his family has always like just gone to a local pantry and just like helped out during the holidays. And they don't even give gifts to each other. So these, like I said before, like these aren't really for Christmas or for any holiday in particular. Like these are just when you want to get gifts for people in your life. So the first one I have are Funko figurines. I wrote this down specifically because I know my best friend collects them, and she loves them, obviously. So I I don't know. I just think this would be a great gift for her or people like her. Next are Smeeskies or Sunny Angels, any sort of like collectible, cute item. I have Smeeskies here. I have my yoga one, and I have one carrying a lamp. But they're really cute, obviously, and they glow in the dark, so that makes them cool. I don't collect Sunny Angels, but you know as well as I do, people are obsessed with them, so that's a great gift idea. You can also get them little Legos. So I made my little Hello Kitty here. I also made, I don't know what cartoon character this is. I made this little dog here. I made him yesterday. Actually, I got these kits in Hong Kong, but I think you can just get them on Amazon or wherever, and they're just like a cute little craft to do if you're feeling brain fogged. That's what I do, at least. I also have recyclable bags because I actually bought a bunch for my friends when I was in Hong Kong. So I think they're just really cute. Next is perfume portable carriers. So I'll insert a photo here, but these are actually super useful. I featured them in my What's in My Bag. I always carry around little portable perfume carriers because obviously I don't want to carry my like 30-ounce bottle everywhere with me. And then last but not least, for this category, I have Muji pens. Everyone loves Muji pens, and if they don't, then get them the pen that they like. But I use Muji pens religiously, and so does my family. So this would be a great gift if you're trying to get someone something useful but small. Those are all the gifts that I have for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. My voice is pretty sore, so I'm going to stop talking now. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And oh my god, my voice just cracked. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you feel so inclined. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.